What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today I'm going to be installing a ground strap on my BMW 135i. So as you can see, I already have the car all jacked up on jack stands. So the first thing I got to do is remove the splash shield, and then we can get to the ground strap. The reason why I'm replacing this is because mine is all corroded, it's like green and everything, and if that ever goes out, your ground strap goes out, you can't start the car, your starter won't work. It's just a proper, it's like the main ground to your engine, so it's a really important thing. If yours is all corroded and messed up, you should consider replacing it while you can. My rear main seal leak is like right on top of my camera right now, so I'm really hoping no oil goes into the mic. Anyways, you can see one end of the ground strap is all green. That's all the corrosion and stuff, and then the other bolt is up there. I'll try to get a view once I remove that side, but I'm going to remove this side first. It's at 13 mil. That side's off. You see my, okay, yeah, it's like right here. You can like barely see it. Oh, got stuff in my eye. Here's the nut. Where's the camera? Oh. Okay, so much stuff going in my eyes. This side, the flared side, that has that little thing, is the bottom one, and then the top one's just a regular like flat part. Now I need to go get the other ground strap, but I don't know where it is, but I'll be back. Alright, now I can just put the undershield back on the car and you're good to go. Oh, there's still dust in my eyes, guys. Oh my god. I definitely should have wore safety glasses for that, but anyways guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if for more content. You know, just cars on jack stands. I want to make use of the opportunity. I'm going to get a lot more stuff done, so stay tuned for those videos. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.